A few decades earlier, the 20 common questions were a bit different. Now it is different. Before 9/11, before 11th of September 2001, before the Twin Tower attack in New York, the top of the charts was, why does Islam permit a man to have more than one wife? Now, after 9/11, this top of the charts has gone down to number 5. Now, the most common question is regarding jihad. Muslims are fundamentalists. Muslims are extremists. Muslims are terrorists. So, depending on how the media portrays Islam, these 20 most common questions, the order may change. Couple may be added, some may be removed. So, every few years, it may change. But the common questions are normally the same. Wherever you go, I have traveled in different parts of the world, whether it be America, whether it be UK, whether it be Singapore, whether it be Europe, whether it be Saudi Arabia, whether Pakistan, whether Africa, whether Nigeria, whether Kenya. These 20 common questions regarding Islam among the non-Muslim is the same. There may be an additional 1 or 2 questions depending upon the society. Like if you go in the Western society, they may ask, why does Islam not permit the Muslim to take interest? Additional. But the 20 common questions are the same. There may be an additional 1 or 2 questions depending upon the surrounding, depending upon the society. But the 20 common questions remain the same. So if every Muslim memorizes the replies to these 20 common questions, with quotation from Quran and Hadith, with quotation from the scriptures of the non-Muslim, whether it be the Bible, whether it be the Vedas, whether it be the Upanishad, whether it be Bhagavad Gita, then give the reply with reason and logic. And fourthly, with scientific evidence. Inshallah, you'll be able to convince many non-Muslims. In today's talk, we may not have time to complete all the replies to the 20 most common questions, but inshallah we'll try and cover between 9 and 12 depending upon the time that we have at our disposal, maybe 9 to 12, and the balance we'll cover tomorrow in part 2. Tomorrow's talk would be Misconceptions about Islam, part 2. The total is about 3 hours, the answers to all. So we'll divide into 2 parts, inshallah. Today, after 9/11, the most common misconception regarding Islam, the most misunderstood word in Islam today is jihad. This word jihad is not only misunderstood by the non-Muslims, because of the media, even many Muslims, they misunderstand this word. Most of the non-Muslims and many Muslims, they think that any war fought by any Muslim, whether it be for money, whether it be for wealth, whether it be for power, whether it be for land, whether it be for language, is called as jihad. Jihad does not mean any war fought by any Muslim for any reason, whether it be for money, whether it be for wealth, whether it be for power, whether it be for language, whether it be for land. Jihad comes from the Arabic word jahada, which means to strive, which means to struggle. So jihad basically means to strive and struggle. In Islamic context, jihad means to strive and struggle against one's own evil inclination. Jihad means to strive and struggle to make the society better. Jihad also means to strive and struggle against oppression. Jihad also means to strive and struggle in the battlefield in defense. So jihad basically means to strive and struggle.